everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. We already received our package from Lazada, and it was actually supposed to be a failed delivery. However, we requested for a redelivery kaya ang package na ara sa Mandawi. So I really felt bad kaya na ara siya dool, then ilang gi-cancel unta. But anyway, thank you so much. Naabot na siya the next day after we requested for a redelivery. So we now have the products, and it's actually a set of 5 resistance bands, and the product costs 381 pesos. That is already including the shipping fee. So my sister will be demonstrating how to use the resistance bands, and it's actually a very affordable rate compared to the ones that you see on Facebook news feed. So if you're looking for resistance bands, you can actually find them in Lazada. And of course, if you're looking for something that can help you when you're working out, the resistance bands are actually a great help. It's good for seniors who are doing a physical rehab, and it's also good for athletes and also good for ordinary people who like to work out. So please do enjoy the video. So these are the resistance bands. It comes along with a cute black pouch. And Marian already opened it, by the way, because she was already working out when I videoed this. And yeah, so there are 5 resistance bands, and there are different levels. It starts with extra light, medium, heavy, and extra heavy. So it depends on the resistance that you need during your workout. Okay, so the level is just indicated on each resistance band. And there's a manual that comes along with the pouch and the resistance bands. And there are also suggestions on how you can use the products. So Marian will be demonstrating some of the moves or some of the exercises that you can use these resistance bands with. Right, so it's back to back. And there's an indication of what color you should be using, what the type of level is, or what level it is, and what it is recommended for. So this is the first exercise that you can use a resistance band with, and it's good for your arm muscles. Right. So I believe that's for the biceps and the triceps. And next is still for the arms. If you can see, Marian's muscles are actually very tightened a while ago, and now it's still another arm exercise. Next is she's showing a leg exercise, and that's really good for your thighs and your calves. Right, so this is another leg exercise, and this is also targeting your thighs and calves. So this exercise is a lying positioned exercise, and of course still using our resistance band, and this is the last exercise that Marian will be showing you all. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a like. And if you have any questions about the products that we bought or about the vlogs that we make, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So thank you so much once again for your support. And if you want to have your products promoted, you can actually reach me in Facebook. That's Margrette and Sinahon Chavez in Facebook, and also email me, and my email address is maan51989@hotmail.com. Everything is in the description box as well. So thank you so much once again for your support. See you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!